Once upon a time, in a vast and scorching desert, there lived a small bird. Her life was full of hardship and endless suffering. The sun burned fiercely above her every day, and the sand beneath her feet was too hot to stand on. She had no shade to rest under, no cool breeze to comfort her, and no trees to call home. Her feathers had fallen off from sickness, and her wings were too weak to fly. Every day was a struggle, a battle against hunger, thirst, pain, and loneliness. Every morning she woke up hoping for a miracle, but every night she went to sleep in tears. The little bird often looked up at the sky and wondered, "Why is my life so full of sorrow? Why can't I be free like other birds?" But she never found an answer, only endless silence around her.
One day, while trembling under the burning sun, she saw a beautiful white pigeon flying across the desert. The sight of another living being filled her heart with sudden hope. With great effort, she called out, "Brother, please stop!" The pigeon, hearing the faint voice, turned and landed near her. Seeing her weak and broken state, he asked gently, "What happened, little sister? Why do you look so sad?" With tears in her eyes, the small bird asked, "Brother, where are you going?" The pigeon smiled softly and said, "I am flying to heaven." Hearing the word heaven lit a spark of hope in her heart. She said humbly, "Brother, when you meet God, please ask about me. Ask him, when will my suffering end? When will my bad days turn into good ones?" The pigeon was moved by her plea and promised kindly, "I will ask God about you." Then he spread his white wings and flew high into the sky until he disappeared beyond the clouds.
When the pigeon reached heaven, he was greeted by a radiant angel standing at the gate. Bowing politely, he said, "I bring a message from Earth. There is a small bird living in the desert. She is weak, sick, and full of sorrow. Please tell me what God has written for her. When will her pain end?" The angel opened the great book of destiny and read quietly. After a few moments, he looked up and said softly, "It is written that she must endure 10 more years of suffering. Only after that will she find peace and happiness." The pigeon's heart sank. 10 more years?" he cried. "But she is already so weak. If I tell her this, she will lose all hope and die of grief. Is there truly no way to ease her pain?" The angel paused, then smiled gently. "Tell her to say these words in every situation. Thank you, God, for everything. This is her real test. If she does this sincerely, she will find strength and peace within her suffering." The pigeon nodded, thanked the angel, and quickly returned to earth. When the pigeon found the little bird again, he told her everything. At first, she was confused. "How can I thank God when my life is full of pain?" she asked. But she made a promise to herself. No matter what happened, she would keep saying, "Thank you, God, for everything." Days passed. Whenever she fell on the hot sand, she whispered, "Thank you, God, for everything." When she couldn't find water and her throat burned with thirst, she still said, "Thank you, God, for everything." When her feathers continued to fall and her body trembled with sickness, she kept repeating those words with faith and love. Then something miraculous began to happen. Slowly, her old, weak feathers were replaced by new, strong ones. Her wings began to feel lighter. One day, dark clouds gathered over the desert. The wind grew strong and heavy rain poured from the sky. The once barren land soaked up the water, and tiny green plants began to grow all around her. A small pond appeared nearby. For the first time in years, the bird drank fresh water and felt life return to her. She began to sing again, spreading her new wings and flying joyfully under the cool sky. 10 days later, the same pigeon happened to pass by the desert again. He was astonished to see the transformation. The lifeless desert was now full of greenery, and the little bird who once couldn't fly was now soaring high with laughter and joy. The pigeon was amazed. How is this possible? He wondered. The angel said she must suffer for 10 years, yet her life turned around completely in only 10 days. How can this be? The angel smiled gently and replied, yes, her destiny was indeed written that way, but she changed it herself. When a heart sincerely thanks God in every circumstance, good or bad, it burns away the weight of past karma. Gratitude is more powerful than destiny. Her test ended the moment her heart filled with true thankfulness. The pigeon bowed his head in awe.
Most of us complain when something goes wrong in our lives. We ask, why me? We forget that gratitude has the power to transform pain into peace. When we truly say, thank you, God, for everything, we invite miracles into our lives. Complaining makes our burdens heavier. Gratitude makes them lighter. From today, promise yourself, whatever situation God places me in, I will thank Him with all my heart. Sometimes, just this one simple change, choosing gratitude over complaint, can transform your entire life. Let us all say together, thank you, God, for everything.